Mastering predictive analytics. Our predictive analytics infrastructure is wide open to data thieves. Where are the security and access controls implemented to ensure the integrity and confidentiality of our predictive analytics infrastructure? The security and access controls to ensure the integrity and confidentiality of the predictive analytics infrastructure are implemented at multiple layers, including data sources, data storage, processing, and visualization. Firstly, at the data source layer, we have implemented robust access controls to ensure that only authorized personnel can access and retrieve data from various sources such as databases, APIs, and file systems. This includes role-based access control, RBAC. Access to data sources is granted based on user roles, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access specific data sources. Authentication and authorization. Multi-factor authentication and secure login mechanisms are in place to ensure that only authorized users can access data sources. Data encryption. Data in transit and at rest is encrypted using industry-standard encryption protocols such as SSL/TLS and ICE to prevent unauthorized access. Secondly, at the data storage layer, we have implemented the following security controls. Data encryption. Data at rest is encrypted using industry-standard encryption protocols such as ICE to prevent unauthorized access. Access control lists, ACLs. Granular ACLs are implemented to control access to data storage systems, ensuring that only authorized users can access and modify data. Auditing and logging. Detailed auditing and logging mechanisms are in place to track all data storage activities, enabling the detection of any unauthorized access or modifications. Thirdly, at the processing layer, we have implemented the following security controls. Containerization. Predictive analytics applications and models are containerized using technologies such as Docker, ensuring isolation and separation of concerns. Secure enclaves. Sensitive data and models are processed within secure enclaves, which provide an additional layer of protection against unauthorized access. Secure sockets layer/transport layer security, SSL/TLS. Data in transit between processing nodes is encrypted using SSL/TLS to prevent interception and decryption. Lastly, at the visualization layer, we have implemented the following security controls. Secure APIs. APIs used for data visualization are secured using OAuth, JWT, or other secure authentication mechanisms to ensure authorized access. Data masking. Sensitive data is masked or anonymized to prevent unauthorized access or exposure. Access control. Granular access controls are implemented to restrict access to data visualizations, ensuring that only authorized users can view specific visualizations. In addition to these layer-specific security controls, we have implemented the following enterprise-wide security measures. Network segmentation. The predictive analytics infrastructure is segregated into separate network zones, each with its own access controls and security policies. Incident response. A comprehensive incident response plan is in place to quickly respond to and contain security incidents. Employee education and awareness. Regular security awareness training and education programs are conducted to ensure that employees understand the importance of security and confidentiality. These multi-layered security and access controls ensure the integrity and confidentiality of our predictive analytics infrastructure, protecting sensitive data and models from unauthorized access, use, or disclosure.